but me a boom, me a boom, me a boom. Band the body, feel me man body, no feel little like trouble. So what's happening on me back? Me just a broke off the cock. Me a sit on the tip of the cock. Me body jaw does a clap, clap, clap. Me too need them a knock. Me say me feel na me back. Me lock the cocky with a padlock. Don't stop. Me nah stop. The boy I run me pussy like a marathon. Me have to draw for the fan. Him a time for the long. Him a tell me in a different position. So can me just like scissor. Fuck me now. Him nah left out of me miggle. Underneath me a shine and a glisten. God know me boom boom. No little boy to me boom 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 boom. See me man body no feel little like chubby. Me light and bam big man body. Me full of eat like them.
Me like it, you know, I want to jump and real, but the man say me a hypocrite lady. The man say me a hypocrite. The man say what goes for the goose goes for the gander. And me cannot tell one people something and I tell you what next. But lady, when you come back, you have to filter out them words there. You have to go say your tune and your nookie and your star apple and your alt, but you have to go filter them because
No problem. No problem.
Can't say it so you have to say like cheese chicks and puppy slug. You can't use them word there.
Me nookie fat man, me nookie fat and me
Yeah, you have to say nookie.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah.
Yeah.
Other than that, me just want dance. But just clean it up, woman. Clean it up.
Yeah man, me do it. No problem. No problem.
Alright.
Ashley.
It was good. I had fun. I wish it was more of this. I wish it was more of this for real. Like I loved it.
Oh, blinger there.
It says the number of users pending multi-guest for this room has reached limit. How?
Well, you can't add our.
Yeah, because why is it saying that the number has reached limit, but there's only 5 people here? Miss Blinger, hold on a second. Let me
Swipe up his screen and come in back.
wipe up. Let me bring her on and Miss Blinger, hold on. Bubbles, you are in the top 10, so hope you know when you come back next time, we're gonna mute up some of those, you know? Reach the
Lord, the
Never
people
lost,
them are
never lost.
separate. No more can come in the competition. Nobody else can fit in.
I mean, we have the 10, but hold on, let's talk up. Roger,
We
deal with that.
this Christina person.
Roger, deal with that. Miss. So here's the thing, right? Miss Triple, we had 3. I don't know why is it saying you cannot add more.
Thank you.
The limit. Hold on.
You have to cancel some requests.
I gotta cancel some requests. Okay, let me cancel some requests then. Roger, answer Miss Triple about that situation, please.
Alright, Miss Tripper, it's 3 rounds audition. Each round we get 30 people. But if we here, I will say that there are other talents need to be discovered. If we are gonna do it, we're only gonna be able to do 3 more if we try finish it with 6 instead of 5. But you can't do 1 more or 2 more. You have to do 1 for each group.
So, okay.
So if we are gonna get anybody else, we have to add. We have to do 3 more spots.
Yeah. So here's the thing, Miss Triple. Miss Triple, let me
So
explain.
we can meet each other halfway, agree, and add 3 more.
So let me explain, Miss Triple. So basically there was 3 auditions, right? There was 3 auditions. So we had 10 before, 10, now this is 10, right? The first 10, they're coming back this Sunday coming.
One bubbles.
The second 10 is coming back the next Sunday. The other 10, so every time they come, we cut in 5, right? So if we pick one more now, we have to do 3 more to make it equal. So I don't know what you guys want. Bubbles, have a good
That
night.
means we have to go hero 3 more. You have to list 3 more.
Me, we have to pick 3 more. So if we have to
Until we
hear
get 3
6 to pick
We have
3,
to
what if
keep
you 3
adding
them?
until we get 3 more.
But
So
Lord,
here's the thing.
the Christina Nelson, the high reds, Christina Cara high reds. We can probably hear
Let
one
them
more
vote, let the
person.
crowd
We can hear it, you know. We can hear it. But say, for example, she came up, right? She comes up and she get picked. That's 11. So which means we would have to get 2 more to make it equal for the next 2 audition, for the next 2 live show. So what do you guys think, judges?
All right, make it chat vote then.
Let them
Let's do
vote.
it. Why not?
All right. So we're gonna bring up the chat. We're gonna bring up the vote, right? We're gonna bring up the vote, right? We're gonna bring up the poll. If you want to pick 3 more people, so the 3 more people. When I say 3 more people, I mean like we have to do the show until we get 3 more.
Well, 3 more contestants have to get the 3 yeses or 4
3
yeses.
yeses, exactly.
So Christina, Real Makaya, high rim.
But let's say they come up.
Them not have to go through.
But Miss
If
Chico,
them not go.
what if they don't
Yes,
go?
then I must have to, but we can't
Just
hear us.
continue.
Yes.
All right,
Alright.
let's go. So.
All right.
Vote, make
3
them
more-
vote.
So let's vote. So should we vote? Or should
Let
we
them
just
vote. Give the crowd the
vote.
talk.
All right.
Let
So,
them vote.
so the guys,
Because
if
we
you
don't
guys
want
want to
board
bring,
there.
if you guys want to do that, vote now. So if the red is yes, the blue is no. The red is yes, the blue is no. The red is yes, the blue is no. I mean, Miss Triple, I kind of like how you involved and say that. That was really nice. It shows that you guys are involved in the, you know? I kind of like that. I like that actually. I like that.
And it shows that people them not blue bad
So
minds.
we not go no further.
Miss Triple
yes,
said,
already.
"Bad man."
So bring up the people them.
So guys, you have spoken. So this is what's gonna happen. The 3 people that get picked tonight, one is coming back next week, this Sunday coming. The other one is coming back the following Sunday, and the other one is coming back on the 19th to join with the top 10. All right. So let the comment section has spoken. So who you said to bring up Miss Triple McCoy?
Christina
Mm-hmm.
and Real Makaya, high red, the crowd was saying.
So let me see if I see Real McCoy or Christine. I did see.
Christina, what again, chat?
Guys, let's do
We want
one.
some vibes.
Christina Kerr.
Yes, we want some
Christina
vibes
Core.
right
Okay,
now.
guys,
Some dances,
we're gonna bring
something
Christina
else.
Core. Let's bring. I'm looking for.
Her and Real McCoy.
Tired of the singer them too, man.
Yes,
So,
guys, some dances, some vibes. Like I want to get up, I want to
nobody
jump.
know,
up, like,
nobody know the poetry.
Christina.
Nobody know dance.
Rise.
We're looking for
Nobody
Christina.
know blow fire.
Christina Core, please
Nobody
send
know
a
walk
request.
on nail.
Christina Kerr, high reds, and Real McCoy. Send us a request.
Christina Core, come on, guys. I'm not.
Nobody know in there we have no pet we do special dance.
Real McCoy, you have to send a request. You send a request.
Real McCoy, please send your
You
request.
don't have to send on a request.
Nobody
Oh my
can
God,
cook
you guys
oxtail in a
just
2
send your
minutes.
request, guys. Hold on, guys. Christina, Real McCoy. Hold on a second. Hold on.
Nobody know in here can make people disappear.
Anybody see the magician? Because the magician has been asking to.
Yes, guys, we want some different talents. No offense to the singer.
Yeah, man, I'm tired of the singing them, man. I'm tired of the singing them, man.
Please.
Yeah,
Some
man.
dancers, some
Real
magicians,
McCoy,
some
please send
actors,
your.
some
Judges, 1 second.
Medium
Judges, 1
eating.
second. Judges, 1 second. Real McCoy, Christina, send your request, or we're gonna have to accept different people. Okay, Real McCoy is here. Is this the person, Real McCoy? I hope this is
Real
the.
McCoy sound like a DJ.
Okay, so we have.
Christina cannot stay in the box. Make sure stay and just mute. I we don't want she laughs.
Okay, so we have Christina Kerr. So let's do Christina Kerr first.
We
But she
never have to take
gone.
down her, you know.
No,
We
Christina
never have
Kerr
to
is
take
here.
her down.
Christina Kerr is
Yeah,
here.
but we never have to take down Real
Oh,
McCoy. She could
so
have
where
stayed
Real
in the
McCoy
box.
gone?
Real McCoy, send a request. Moderator, bring up Real McCoy, please. All right.
So when them finish it, it's easier than we have to call them and them a take long for come.
Moderator, bring up those other two, please. So we have Christina. Put on your camera, please. You should have done that by now because we were looking for you. Christina, please put on your camera.
And Real Makai, Nadia, please mute.
All right. So mute me, record, and Nadia.
Mute.
All right.
No, you know, you something come on, you say that, Fanny.
Real McCoy, please mute. Nadia, please mute. All right. Christina Kerr, where you from, babes? Unmute. Unmute.
I'm from Jamaica, Negro.
How old are you?
I am 25.
25. And if you get picked today, you're going to be here January 19th. Let's see if you have what it takes, if the judges is going to. So you have 2 minutes to do your audition. Take it away whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Judges, please mute.
Can you hear it? When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear, and there is no one there to dry your tears, yeah. See, I could hold you for 1,000,000 years to make you feel my love.